Alright, we're out here at Budgies Burritos in Vancouver, BC on Kingsway. We're going with the KTB Taco. It's all vegetarian options here. So it's got the refried beans, cilantro, sour cream, cheese, avocado, and salsa. They're in the two 6-inch large shells. They're pretty jammed. I feel like it could be a little bit more in there, but they're pretty packed. They're hot though. Hot. Use the master to wipe my mouth. Sorry about that. So I went for the medium option for the spice. I feel like I should have went a little hotter. The beans, I feel like they could use a little more flavor, to be honest with you. But it is an enjoyable taco. I'm gonna give these ones here on the refried bean vegetarian taco scale. I'm gonna give these. Let's go with 7.3 today. 7.3 Budgies Burritos, Kingsway, Vancouver. Check them out, guys.